This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This stunning 5-bedroom, 3-bath residence offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. With an open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living, dining, and kitchen areas, it's an entertainer's paradise. On the first floor, the primary bedroom, along with one additional bedroom and secondary full bath and half bath, offers accommodations for all. Upstairs, find 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath. Enjoy resort-style living with access to the exclusive Founders Pointe pool and clubhouse. Relaxing on your private screen porch or enjoying the amenities of your charming and stately community, your new lifestyle awaits. Stroll along the scenic observation pathways, taking in the serene surroundings, enjoying the pool and community events. This home and community combine elegance with everyday convenience, providing a lifestyle of ease and sophistication. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a luxury home in one of the most sought-after communities. September 19, 2024. For more information, review the details below.